Disappointment and fear. That's how women who've had abortions describe the fallout from the U.S. Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Rob McCartney.
I'm Julie Cornell. While supporters of abortion share their stories, others call on Nebraska leaders to look to a special session to place a ban on abortions.
KETV News Watch 7's Andrew Ozaki talked with those on both sides of the issue.
Life.
5 women.
This wasn't going to be a viable pregnancy.
Each with their own personal reasons for ending a pregnancy.
I would be living in poverty, and I'm very afraid that I would be experiencing a lot of abuse.
Speak out about the potential of not being able to have that choice.
I'm just so disappointed in our country and that they don't see, women are not being seen as individuals.
They fear what will happen if women can't access safe and legal abortions.
It will bring death. It will bring suicides. It will bring violence from unaccepting partners.
This is not about abandoning women in a difficult time.
Sandy Danik of Nebraska Right to Life says there are a number of resources available to assist women and families. The narrative now needs to be on options that will help both mother and child.
And it doesn't mean that a child should be destined to death just because they're inconvenient.
Meanwhile, the governor and anti-abortion lawmakers continue to work on a potential special session in September.
We want in Nebraska to stop elective abortions.
State Senator Joni Albright says her bill that would have banned all abortions except for when a mother is at risk is not an option, even though it came just 2 votes short of advancing. She says they're listening to concerns about how a ban could hurt pregnant women using in vitro fertilization.
Making certain that there are exclusions within the bill that will make specialists in the field of in vitro very comfortable.
Albright couldn't say if they would include exemptions for incest or rape, but others say it doesn't matter.
We are against any ban of any kind, against any reproductive right.
Andrew Ozaki, KETV, News Watch 7.